Picture this: a scorching summer day, the sun blazing, temperatures soaring. You flip on your air conditioner, but then the lights go out. Not just at your home, but across the city. You're not alone. Millions are sweltering, factories are halting production, and hospitals are scrambling. It's a nightmare scenario, isn't it? But behind the scenes, a different kind of nightmare is unfolding. Utility companies are staring at a different kind of heat wave. This one reflected in their balance sheets. Utility companies are dealing with an invisible yet substantial foe, one that lurks beneath the surface of aging infrastructure and complex systems. And no, it's not just financial losses we're talking about. It's about navigating a perfect storm of challenges that threaten to plunge our modern world into darkness. Now, let's be clear. We're not talking about a few flickering lights or momentary power dips here. We're discussing full-scale outages that send shockwaves through economies, disrupt essential services, and leave communities in the dark, both literally and metaphorically. As we peel back the layers of this issue, you'll discover the silent costs associated with these failures. We're talking about the hidden expenses that don't show up in the immediate aftermath but reverberate over time. Think environmental remediation, the strain on emergency services, economic ripples, and the intangible cost of public trust. These are the silent partners in utility failures, and they amplify the true cost of outages by magnitudes. But hold on. We're not just here to dwell on the shadows. This story has a brighter side as well. In the face of these daunting challenges, the narrative takes an inspiring turn as we explore how technology, particularly artificial intelligence or AI, is stepping into the fray. Just as a seasoned general surveys the battlefield, AI is proving to be a game changer in the world of predictive maintenance. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal how this digital sleuth is being trained to predict equipment failures before they happen. Forget the old adage of reacting to problems after they occur. With AI, utility providers can anticipate issues days, weeks, or even months in advance. But how does it do this? What's the magic behind this technological marvel? Well, it's not magic. It's deep learning, neural networks, and anomaly detection. And here's where things get really fascinating. We're not talking about your run-of-the-mill algorithms here. These are sophisticated tools that allow machines to learn from vast amounts of data and identify patterns that would elude even the most experienced human analyst. Picture this: a digital Sherlock Holmes scanning through mountains of data, combing through sensor readings, weather patterns, and historical performance metrics to sniff out potential failures. That's the power of AI in predictive maintenance. But hold on. As impressive as this sounds, the true brilliance of AI lies in its ability to learn and adapt. These systems don't just follow pre-programmed instructions. They evolve, they refine their analysis, and they become more accurate over time. It's like having a team of experts that not only solves today's problems, but also gets better at solving tomorrow's challenges. Now you might be wondering, what kind of data does this digital detective rely on? The answer is a treasure trove of information that's often overlooked. Think sensor readings from equipment, historical performance data, weather patterns, and even real-time environmental conditions. These are the clues that AI uses to piece together the puzzle of equipment reliability. However, the magic doesn't stop there. AI is also transforming the very fabric of our power grids. Imagine a grid that can sense and respond to disturbances in real time, a grid that can reroute power around outages and repair itself automatically. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's closer than you think. AI is making this a reality. The secret lies in something known as edge computing. By moving intelligence closer to the equipment, AI can analyze data in near real time, enabling faster decision-making and more efficient operations. It's like having a local expert that can handle issues before they escalate into major headaches. But wait, there's more. AI is also lending its analytical prowess to another critical aspect of power distribution: transformer tap changers. These devices help regulate voltage levels, ensuring that the electricity we use in our homes and businesses is within safe and efficient limits. However, they have a significant drawback. Traditionally, their maintenance has been largely reactive. Problems are identified when they escalate into major outages. Now imagine if we could predict when these components need adjustment. That's exactly what AI is being employed for. By analyzing real-time data, AI can signal when a transformer tap changer needs attention, allowing for proactive maintenance and preventing potential outages. Looking ahead, the convergence of AI and power utilities seems poised to redefine the very essence of a reliable power grid. With AI at the helm, we can expect smarter grids, self-healing networks and dynamic load balancing, ensuring that power flows optimally even during peak demands. But the benefits don't end at the power station. AI is also infiltrating homes and offices in the form of smart appliances and devices. Refrigerators that sense power fluctuations and adjust their cooling cycles accordingly. Air conditioners that prioritize cooling during outages. Based on occupancy and lighting systems that adapt to changing usage patterns. All of this is made possible by AI's ability to learn, adapt, and optimize. It is important to note that the journey towards embracing AI in the power sector hasn't been without its bumps. Concerns about data privacy, security risks, and the need for skilled professionals have been key hurdles. Moreover, legacy systems, the older power, infrastructure, and equipment that still form the backbone of many grids can pose significant challenges for AI integration. However, the global investment in AI across all sectors of the power industry is a testament to its potential. Billions are being channeled into research, development, and implementation, reflecting a collective belief in AI's transformative power. Let's take a look at some numbers. According to Fortune Business Insights, the global artificial intelligence market in the power sector was valued at $7.83 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach $46.49 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 26.9% from 2023 to 2030. Now that's a staggering growth trajectory. Key players are making significant strides. For instance, in March 2023, Landis+Gyr, a global leader in smart metering, announced the successful completion of a pilot project integrating AI and machine learning for advanced outage management. Similarly, in February 2023, the State Grid Corporation of China, the world's largest utility company, announced plans to invest over $21 billion in AI and digital technologies by 2025. But it's not just about big business. Countries worldwide are recognizing the potential of AI in revolutionizing their power sectors. For instance, the UK government has committed to investing £100 million in developing AI solutions for optimizing the energy system and enhancing operational efficiency. So what does this mean for you? Well, as we stand on the cusp of an AI-powered future, it's essential to understand that this technology is not just reshaping industries. It's reshaping our lives. Imagine a world where power outages become a thing of the past, where energy distribution is optimized, and where our homes and appliances anticipate our needs. It's a future that's powered by data, driven by AI, and focused on a more sustainable and reliable world. If you found this video informative and enjoyed our insights on the revolutionary role of AI in the power sector, we invite you to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to stay updated on more such insightful tech topics, consider subscribing. Your engagement helps us continue delivering quality content on the latest technological advancements and their impact on our world. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.